Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing STL file of February 2024, Part 7. And the last video will be Part 8. And we'll probably do like a huge, we're going to do a lot. We have a lot of Patreons to look at. Might be a little longer than usual. I will be looking at D&D, Warhammer, and anime figures, proxies. And if there's one I haven't looked at throughout the whole month, leave Patreon down in the comments below, and I'll take a look at it. It might be in a future video. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Discord and Patreon down at the bottom as well. And let's get started. Nympha 3D. We are getting the Final Fantasy 7. Yorochi is going to be for next month. So here we go. We'll be doing Shitola figure for Final Fantasy 14 for it. Cast and play. I have an eBay notification working on my freaking Eldar. Let's see here. There's a Kickstarter for the cowboy one for this, but I don't. And Stormbringer for the wolf for it, but I don't think the models are that great. Showcase. That's January. I want my freaking release. I think these are the 2014 Eternals for it. Can I look at them? Or do I have to pay for them? Wow, the Eternals. They don't have the actual thing for them. Why? Why do they do this? Unless there's like, oh, there's 18. Okay. I need some prints for it. There you go. Eternals. They look like some kind of space elves set for it. And there's your throwback. Some weird looking humanoid with a giant head. So yeah. Yeah. I think these are some of the spell cells for Spelljammer, in my opinion. If you have any idea, please let me know. Um, I think there is some other race as well. Wow, this just looks weird. Really weird. Really weird for it. Flan is another figure as well. I don't think CG Trader. Goodbye. Hi everyone. Thank you. We'll be the end of FIAN Project Network. Unfortunately, for multiple reasons, I am forced to close and interrupt this project, which has given me more than I would have ever expected. In a few days, I will create the statue market, so as to give you the opportunity to buy the ones you missed. That's caused the lead to closure are multiple. There are most important relationship between the time I have dedicated to Patreon and the money I get from it, among others, unbridled competition, product, and counterfeiting. I would like those things. Okay, Fion is gone. That sucks. Highland Miniatures. This is for Warhammer Fantasy mostly. We can get all of these and easy to print. You get your bases with it as well. It looks like peasants are fighting. I know the old world is getting really popular again. So, and a lot of the freaking miniatures are really expensive on eBay, especially the older ones, unless they start remaking them from Games Workshop, but they're taking a long time for that. P. Scott, Warhammer Proxy. I'm getting a lot of Eldars from this place as well. We are doing what you call Sisters of Battle for this month. Just letting you guys know. They got lewd ones as well, but I wish you look at some of my mini factory on this, guys. And if you, they got some banshees and stuff, howling banshees and stuff. I'm going to print for my proxies. GM3D, another anime figure as well. Let's see here. This is the Ice Queen from freaking Rosario Vampire. Once is that an Elfin Light. I don't think I got Elfin Light for this yet. Oh no, February will be this Rama and the Hinata's daughter, or Naruto's daughter. Lost Kingdom. Miniatures, we have, looks like Chaos Faction coming aboard for it. I think some of these you actually could make it into old world for it. So you got the drummer, just oh yeah, I do. Oh, they got the banner ones too. It looks like a demon prince for chaos world eater. Looks like it. It looks pretty interesting. Tortoise minis, another figure. I'm trying to get okay. February release. We got Sylvanas. Forgot where her from Thundercat is, and do not. I think it's Red Sonja for it for February. If you're interested, STL miniatures. If you about available, access that. Okay. Uh, Never Dawn. I don't know if I'm getting Never Dawn for it, but this is February one. So we got an airship, a whole bunch of people, some giant flies, and some Reaver Knights for it. Try to get something bigger so we all can see. So yeah, here's your airship. That won't go out into space, but it'll probably float around. Just letting you guys know. But it looks pretty cool looking as well. Uh, One page rules. I think they're also doing a Kickstarter as well for Secret of Zaxel. They're mostly lizard folks, and you get your cavalries as well. And for this month, I think we're getting another Iron Dwarves and Vampires. War Demons. It's pretty cool. Looking. There's Demon Prince. You got Vampires of the Undead. You could probably proxy some of these to the Old World or Age of Sigmar as well. Very good models for it. You get your zombies, vampire bats, corpse carrier, and you got your dwarfs guild. Your squats, or whatever they're called. Looks pretty damn good to me. And you have your huge ass tanks. Huge ass tanks. I don't know. I'm working on elders right now, but I'll still be getting Belksasar 3D. They got the modular environment. Looks like it. If you want to have some train pieces. I think that one is from My Mini Factory. Free model. You get 2B free model. That looks pretty good. Huge thing. February. You only get these on My Mini Factory, just letting you guys know. Cult of Desire. So Slanesh looks like it. Or some type of D&D proxy you want to do, but I'm thinking of more towards Slanesh. Because a lot of these figures, how the models look like, works well with Slanesh army as well, except for that. That will have to change. Probably just get these guys and cut their hands and give them some claws and stuff. This will work well for. Well, this is actually a demon from D&D, so that will work well for one of the proxies too. One of the Slaneshes. I forgot that mirror is called. Well, there you have it. Bigger picture of what's happening. Bulkmancer Sculpt, another anime figure as well. That's March Project. We got Raphael. It's March. Agus. Agus is coming. Marthier Bust is coming. Here we go. February. Nope. February. So this is what's coming up for February for Bulkmancer Sculpt. Hardcore Miniature, another Warhammer Proxies. February, we're having Dwarves. I think they're also having collab for orcs as well and some squids. Oh, try it. Look hardcore. I fucking don't have too many of those. Francisco Quez, he's out for probably a month or two. He just fractured his arm. So we're going to wait for that. Cut that off. Berserk, February. Do not know what's happening in February, but I'll just put it down if I pay the dollar and see what's going on. They do a lot of DC stuff there. Bulk Bands, I already looked at that. Azurma, another anime figures. Happy Valentine's, Maki. You get that. And I'm trying to figure out what's February's one. February 3. So these would be your February of 3. Jan Sculpt. Mary Jade Skywalker. That's one of the old legacy Star Wars. Luke Skywalker's wife. Tila's Vips. And Free Fall and Alice in Wonderland. I think that's from Gen 13. Alice in Wonderland Free Fall. Sin 3D Studio. Let's see here. We got Garen Langen from the anime. Tila Tippin. And the Fire Force. Tikamaka. So we're missing Soyo Higsugi for one of the figures. Blue Sky Minis. Another Warhammer proxy. This will be the last one. This is your welcome pack. If you're going to work for orcs for Warhammer proxies, this is probably the best one. It freaking loads. I want to see. That's sent out for January. I don't know what's going to be for this month for it. Previews. But if you need orcs are good. You need a lot of freaking orcs. Tell you the truth, this is last month ones with claw arms and everything. Well, yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. Thank you guys very much. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. See ya.